Well, I'm trying to do a little panorama shot. I had multiple false starts. I don't know what the rules are for the vendors, but ordinarily they can't walk between the chairs, but they're doing it here, probably because bribes are involved. This guy over here can be bribed, and he will chase out the non-paying elements to his beach. This part we're on here is private, and down by the water it's not. As far as I can tell. A high tide line, so it's down there. Way uphill. Way uphill, people. Leave me alone. That's what my message was. I'm in the second row for a reason. Well beyond the high tide line. And away from the speakers. That's the dive shack over there with the flag flying. You see it?